How to fix low memory on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can fix low memory on Roblox Mobile. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, open up settings in your device and here tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. After that, tap on the search icon at the top right corner and in the search bar search for Roblox, tap on it. You will land on app info page. Here scroll down a bit and tap on storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache. After you do that, go back and check whether now your problem is solved or not. If still not, then from the same page you can also clear storage. Here it says this application's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device, so tap on OK. After that, if you go back and open up the application, you might have to re-log into your account. So if it is asked, make sure to log in. And if this still does not help you, then what you can do is uninstall the application from the device and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. So head towards the application, tap and hold in it, then tap on app info. Here tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Once you uninstall it, now open up Google Play Store and tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar search for Roblox, tap on it. And there you'll find install option, tap on install, and once the installation is complete, you can open up the application and that will help you fix the problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.